Descript overdub. Tired of re-recording entire sections of audio just to fix a single mistake? Or maybe you need a quick voiceover update, but the original speaker is unavailable. That problem costs creators valuable time and money. In 2025, Descript overdub has become the go-to solution for effortless, professional-quality voice cloning and text-to-speech editing. Overdub lets you clone your own voice by recording 10 to 90 minutes of clear audio. Once your sample is uploaded, Descript's advanced AI builds a personalized, natural-sounding voice model that captures your tone, pitch, and emotion. From that point on, you can generate speech from text, no microphones, no studios, and no waiting. Need to fix a single word in a podcast or video? Just type the correction, and overdub replaces the audio instantly in your own voice. It even supports voice modulation, allowing you to fine-tune pitch, tone, and style for expressive voiceovers that suit any mood or audience. Overdub is fully integrated into Descript's powerful editing suite, so you can remove filler words, rearrange clips, and enhance your sound with tools like Studio Sound, all within one platform. And for peace of mind, Descript enforces strict ethical and privacy controls, requiring explicit consent before cloning any voice. Whether you're a podcaster, video creator, educator, or marketer, overdub streamlines production, saves hours of work, and keeps your content sounding consistent and polished. You can also export your audio in multiple formats for podcasts, videos, or presentations with just a few clicks. Trusted by thousands of creators worldwide, Descript overdub is more than just a convenience. It's a productivity booster and a creative game changer. Call to action. Stop re-recording and start creating smarter. Try Descript overdub today and experience the future of voice editing.